get you some. Oh, yeah. Mate, it's lucky she can cook. Wow! G'day lovelies and welcome back. Alrighty, tonight we're going to be making savoury chicken rice. Now in true Aussie girl style, I don't have everything I need, so I'm just going to make do with what I've got, but I will write the exact recipe down below for you. We need 4 chicken thigh fillets chopped. Now I only had 3 large breast fillets, so they're going to have to do. We need 1 red capsicum chopped up. I don't have any capsicums, but I had a couple of stalks of celery, so I've just chopped them up instead. 3/4 of a cup of frozen peas. 1/4 of a cup of fresh parsley chopped. 1 brown onion chopped. 2 cups of, I'm using long grain rice, but you can use any rice that you've got. 1 400-gram can roughly of diced tomatoes. We need 1 litre of chicken stock and some tumeric. Now the one thing I don't have, and I just don't believe I don't have it, is garlic. Oh my god, a world without garlic. Could you imagine? How am I going to get rid of the monsters? So you'll need 2 cloves of garlic crushed or 3 heaped teaspoons of jar garlic. Alright, once you've chopped your chicken, chopped your parsley, chopped your onion and chopped your capsicum, we're ready to rock and roll. So now we need to get out a really big frying pan. Alright, first thing we want to do is put it on a medium heat. We just want a little bit of oil, either olive or vegetable. In goes our chicken. So the first thing we want to do is just brown our chicken. We don't want to cook it, we just want to brown it. Alright, once we've browned our chicken, not cooked it, browned it, we want to take it out. Alright, take 2, the battery died. Okay, now the chicken's out, we want to put our onion in, our red capsicum, and our garlic. And we just want to toss that around for a minute. Alright, a minute later, we now want to add our rice, our 1 teaspoon of turmeric, and now we just mix that through. Alright, once we stir that in, we want to put our chicken back in, and we want to put 2 cups of our stock in. Now we want to mix that through and then just put it on a simmer, and we want to simmer it until all of the juice is gone. No lid. Okay, that roughly took 7 minutes. As you can see, all the juice is gone now. Oh mate, it smells freaking amazing in here already. Okay, now we want to add our can of tomatoes. Our frozen peas and the remainder of our stock. Alright, once we've mixed it through, we want to bring it up to a simmer, and we want to simmer it with no lid on for about 15 to 18 minutes until all the liquid has gone. 18 minutes later, and look at this beauty. Oh mate, it smells freaking amazing in here. Alright, that is 4 big serves. Big serves. Alright, we want to add our parsley and then we can just serve her up. Well, there you have it, lovelies. Another little pearler of a meal. Easy to do, hearty, filling. Oh, smells amazing. Thank you guys so much for watching. Definitely give it a crack. You won't be disappointed. And I'll see you soon. Toodles.